Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, got a couple of symbols I wanted to look at with you. You're in a very unique environment where the market just continues to rip at these new lifetime highs, and I'm just not the person to come in here and call a top. I will begin this free video by saying that you've got to come in here especially cautious, and to be doing anything long after such an impressive rally can be a little bit dangerous, right? Risk reward starts to become diminished, especially when you see that we have made, perfect extensions. All right, with my disclaimers out of the way and kind of those notes of caution at the beginning of this, then I just want to bring some setups to you that I think will be worth following. We're going to look at Facebook first and note that we've got the squeeze on the 195-minute chart and a product that I am looking for a move up into 285 and then 293. And then if you wanted to use the psychological target of 300, you might as well go ahead and get that one out there. Now, if we get below, on a daily closing level, below 255, that's where I'll consider myself wrong, right? Because I don't want to hold all the way back down here into this gap. But, this will be an important product to watch next week. And even though the indexes are extended, if you see these symbols starting to show strength, well, then they will be a big part of what continues to propel the markets higher. So that's an important one. And then you also have AMD kind of in the early stages of the same signal. Remember, all we're really looking for with this signal or pattern is compression and consolidation in price that then results in a trending move. So, kind of just thinking all of this is basically consolidating, and then just like Facebook, you clear that retracement area and open up the door into those next swing highs. So, if this is breaking down on Monday and Tuesday, look for support around 80 and the chance to buy it. And then if you get below this swing low, well, then I'm wrong, and you'll need to define your risk and cut it whatever you may see fit, depending on the strategy you are using. But the last I'm going to give you is Microsoft, and they all carry the exact same tone. When you go back on this, what I've got shown on these drawings is symmetry. When you look at this low, and you can see where that spikes down into 203.13, what that is doing is just saying this is your bullish trend, and inside that bullish trend, there have been corrections. This correction happens to be the exact same price point value as this correction. And that helps us to, it's one way of determining that the pattern of higher highs and higher lows is still intact. And it too should work out the path into extensions, if not next week, into the one following. So I think those are three very important symbols. They'll be on the front of my watch list, and I hope you find the analysis helpful as you get into your trading next week.